It's time for calendar and weather. Do you remember the month we're in? I know it starts with a f sound like F. Fun. Do you remember? We are in February. If you remember that, go ahead and pat yourself on the back. Let's go ahead and figure out what number comes after 22. Well, think when you're counting 22, 20. Well, what's next? Let's look at our hundreds chart as a resource and start on the 22. And then the number after is 23. Did you know that? If you did, go ahead and kiss your brain. Let's get that number and we're going to put it on the calendar. It is February 23rd, 2022. And what day of the week are we on today? Do you know? Let's look at our resource. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Do you know? It's a wonderful what. Let's find the word that starts with the what sound. Look at the first sound. Look at the first letter. Look for W and W. Can you see it? Where is it? Did you find it? Here it is. Wednesday, Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. And do you know what yesterday was? Well, what day is before Wednesday? Here's Wednesday. The day before is Tuesday, Tuesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. And do you know what tomorrow will be? Well, if today is Wednesday, what's the day after Wednesday? Thursday, Thursday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Let's describe today's weather. Oh, before that, do you remember the season? Well, let's see. Let's look at our seasons and months resource. Here's February. What season are we in? We are in winter. Look at the picture and the word. Winter, winter. So let's go ahead and get that to add to the calendar. And then describe today's weather. Well, what's it like? The weather is sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy, or windy. Well, what do you think? It's pretty cloudy right now, and I think later on it's gonna switch to partly cloudy. Let's go ahead and get, I know I have cloudy out, or partly cloudy out. Let's get cloudy. And it's gonna be actually really cloudy, and then the sun's gonna come out and it'll be partly cloudy. So it'll be both cloudy and sunny. It's going to be high 70 degrees Fahrenheit today. It's going to be so warm. And then tonight, it's going to drop to 34 degrees Fahrenheit and get really cold. A big difference in temperature today. Let's figure out how many days we've been in school. I know yesterday was 105. What number comes after 105? What do you think, mathematicians? 105, 100, 106. I heard some of you say it. If we look at our hundreds chart as a resource, we've got the 100 in our brain. If we start on the 5, the number after is 6. So let's make 106 and then say this big number before we put it on the place value chart. Are you ready? Okay, say it with me. 106. We have 100, 0 tens, 6 ones. Let's get one counting rod. We're going to put the one counting rod in the one's pocket. And then let's count starting with our 100. All right, 100. Say it, kindergartners. 100. Keep the 100 in your brain. Let's put the 100 back in the hundreds pocket and get the 6 ones. Did you keep the 100 in your brain? Let's put the 6 ones with it. Are you ready? 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106. All right, let's put the 6 ones back and do our tally mark. Okay, remember, we're going to be pulling straight down to show our tally mark for how many days we've been in school. So let's skip count by 5s, and we're going to skip count by 5s 21 times. We'll do 20 on this side for the 100, and then we'll put the other one with it with the additional 1. Ready? Skip count with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. And keep that 100 in your brain. Next page, 105, 106. So many days learning together in kindergarten. Let's go ahead and write today's date. You need something to write on and something to write with. We're going to start with our uppercase letter F. Remember, we always capitalize the first letter for every month. F-E-B period, finger space, write the number 23 with a 2 and a 3, comma, finger space 2022. Write that down and then practice reading it, mathematicians. February 23rd, 2022.